Today I want to teach you how to train your dog to down. In my last video I show you how to train your dog to sit. Now down. Okay, first of all we need to have a cookie or anything your dog want or like. I use chicken and yeah, my dog love chicken. It's best if you get your dog any reward he like. Okay, it was a seat. Mine. Mop. Yeah. 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 Down. Này. Down. Okay, it was easy. See? First, you have to make him sit and then get your reward on his nose and go all the way down, and don't give him reward until he down. Okay, like this, down, and then before you give him reward you should say yes and then give him reward like this, down. If your dog get into the down position but he is like leaning in other side like that, okay, wait, like this, don't give him reward because it's not properly down. Down, yes. Down, yes. Down. For restarting your dog, you need to move a little bit like that. Come. Down. Come. Down. Down. Yes. Yeah. Down. Yes. Right. Down. Yes. Hey. Down. 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 Yes. Yeah. Sit down. Sit down. Yes. Good. Good boy. Down. Yes. Good. Sit. 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 Don't give him reward if you don't command and your dog reply. Like, I don't give him like command to down, but he down. I don't give him reward like that. Down, yeah. Come on. Yeah. Down, yes. Come on. Sit. Down, yes. Come. Sit. Down, yes. Come on. Sit down. Yes. Come on. Sit down. Down. Yes. Come on. Sit. Sit. The next time, you need to hide your reward. He don't need to see your reward on your hand. Okay. Sit. Sit. Nuh-uh. Beer. Sit. Yes. Beer. Sit. Yes. Beer. Beer. Sit. Down. Yes. Beer. Sit. Down. Yes. Beer. Mop. Sit. Sit. Down. Beer. Sit. Down. Yes. Beer. Sit. Sit. Come. Sit. Down. Come. Sit. Now. Beer. Come. Sit. Yes. Down. Yes. Sit. 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 Yes. Afternoon. Good boy. Sit. Come. Sit. Down. Yes. Okay. For next video, I want to teach you how to stay place, and after that, give me your idea what you want to learn after this video. I am Hassam Gharibi, dog trainer, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more channel if you want to see more. Okay, goodbye.